Alright guys, so it is known news that Canada is recruiting caregivers, and one of the surest way that you can get a job as a caregiver is to position yourself well, right? Have the right qualification and certification. So over the years, so many people have become permanent residents. I mean, immigrants from Africa, Asia, they've become immigrants through this pilot caregiver program. They had to work for like a year or two and then they apply for the permit. But this new pilot program that has been launched or is yet to be launched will give you access to instant permanent residence for you, your family, and any member of your household, right? So, how do you get the certification? One of the premium universities in Canada, McMaster University, can offer you a free caregiving certificate and you don't have to pay a dime. So, let me show you. I've had so many questions. Some people had already registered, but unfortunately, it is currently closed and it's going to be open again in October. So, let me show you how you can register for the free caregiving certification program. Alright, so this is McMaster University official website. I'm going to put the link in the comment section. So, check out the very first comment. You're going to see it and you're going to come here and register. So this is a caregiving said enhance your knowledge and confidence in your caregiver role. If you're a caregiver, this caregiver essentials program was created for you, and it is free, self-paced, and this is not for credit program. So you're not going to be awarded any credit, but you'll be given a certification. So it's taught by experienced caregiver, author, and activist. What are you going to learn? You're going to learn about what the role of a caregiver is, taking care of your health and well-being, legal and financial considerations. So who should take this? Anyone who is acting as a formal or informal caregiver, anyone who is considering to take on the role of a caregiver. So this is for you. So you can use it to get a caregiver role, social worker, home care business owner, and what are the benefits. So these are all the benefits. Guys, if you are interested, I just want you to go ahead and click on it. So it is currently closed, right? Registration is currently closed. It is going to begin on October 15th, and I strongly recommend that you bookmark this video, save this video and come back to it, so that by October 15th, as soon as it opens, you can also register. All right, so if you are looking for other free options in getting a caregiving essential course or PSW, I'm going to look for it and come and share that information with you, because that's what I want to do here. I'm building a community for people that can help and enhance their opportunities and broaden their horizon. So the one that they just I think it ended on July 17 or 19. So it appears they do a course every quarter. So guys, take advantage of this, and as I mentioned, it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for it. Check the comment section for the video. If you haven't followed me, please follow me, like my videos, and share with other people in your network. Thank you.